Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So I just want to show you in the back of an account on a website and how we can make the flow a lot easier. So it's just a quick tip this is. So we're using, so this account has just been created for somebody called John Smith. And there's 4 steps that need completed in the account. Now, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4 doesn't come as default, but it gives the customer some sort of idea, some sort of process that they need to follow in order to complete each section. Now, you don't see step 1, 2, 3, 4 on this section because we haven't implemented it, but you can see that it's being used up here in the quick setup wizard. So if we click on step 1, you'll see that step 1 is also being emphasized here. So we've got step 1, and then we've got nice clear instructions, complete all the information to appear live on Glasgow Case Services. Yep, so you can see here nice clear instructions. We go to step 2, and you can see again in step 2 is being highlighted just again here so that they know that they're completing step 2. And also just notice on all of the buttons under all of the tabs, they all say save step 1, save step 2, save step 3, and save step 4. So you can see that process has been echoed throughout, and that's to try and make the completion process a bit more easier for the person within the account area when they're completing that information. And finally, we can see step 4, and you can see again step 4 has been highlighted with some additional help there for them in completing the about section. So I just wanted to show you, in this case, we're using the 4-step process. If you had the locations add-on, if you were using the locations add-on, then you would have the 5-step process, and you would be following the same thing, the same theme throughout, making it nice and simplistic, but making sure that it's very clear that this is step 3 if that's what they're on in each section. So a useful tip. You should be able to probably implement this yourself. If you need any help, you can always reach out and contact me at membershipwebsites.net. Thanks for watching.